Well, hi everybody, and welcome to Moodle Support Theater version 2.3. This is tape number 8. We're using the activities function and we're creating an online assignment in this particular episode. We're in Moodle Training 2. We've left our editing turned on from our last session, and we're going to add an activity or resource. We're choosing to add an assignment. Pops up, we choose the add button, and remember there used to be 4 different things you had to click. Now it's sort of a one-stop shopping approach. I'm going to type my assignment name, which is paper 3. I'm going to cut and paste my description, which is always a good idea to have for your students, and I do urge everyone to look at the new features video. There are a number of changes in the summary box. For example, when you cut and paste, you need to use Control V. It will not let you right click. I do want to display this description on the course page. As this is an online assignment, I'm going to allow submissions from one date to another. I do want to prevent late submissions. You must have it in on time. No, I don't want students to have to click a submit button. It'll happen automatically. Now these next two, as I've mentioned in each video, notify graders and graders about late submissions. If you want an email every time a student submits something, this is for you. I find that most people do not, but you do have that choice. Okay, submission settings. Yes, we do want online text. That's the whole point. A lot of people forget to turn off file submissions. I'm going to leave it turned on and show you how it looks, and it actually kind of defeats the purpose of an online exam. Maximum number of files will continue. Feedback comments are things the instructor leaves. Submission comments just above it are things that the students leave. Grades, as previously, goes from 1 point as we scroll to the bottom all the way up to 300 points. No grade, credit, no credit, different types of scale. We're going to leave it at 100 and use simple direct grading. The grade category is exactly that. Is this under writing? Is this under field research? Is this under participation? Group mode and groupings. I'm not real big on groupings. They tend to be snarky. Visible is another way to hide it. If you feel the need to put in an ID number, call me. I'll talk you out of it. And this restricting access is really advanced. It's who can get into the class and what their grade level has to be. I'm going to leave that to our pedagogy experts and department chairs to determine how this is used. We're offering private sessions on this as we get more familiar with it. Okay, we're going to save and return to the course, and we're going to come down to the week of the 30th, and that's going to show the new online complete. Now we're going to click it, and you'll see what the instructor sees. Okay, that's exciting. You can view and grade all submissions. Give it a quick click, and you can review and grade your items. I'm going to go back to the main page, and while that's happening, I want to show you a graphic I've put together. It says new online complete. This is what the student sees, and notice they have an add submission button here in the center at the bottom. When they click that, we go to the next graphic, and here's what I meant about the file submissions. In the top box is where you would have the student type the response to the question, which would be above it where it currently says Write Online. Right under it is an opportunity to drag and drop a file. Well, that's not really what you want to do. If we come to our third graphic, give that a click, and now it just gives you the option to answer the question in the box where it is, save your changes, and boom, the assignment is submitted. Let's go back to the main page. Next episode, we are going to look at multiple uploads. Those are great for ongoing critiques and review. I think research paper, when I think of this type of thing, with statement of thesis, first draft, second draft, review of resources, that type of thing. So I invite you to check out the new information in our new features video, and I invite you to come back for multiple uploads and long-term use of material. We're in Library 315. We're at 3633 here on campus, and we're here to help.